Ever walk into a bank and feel like you've stepped into a time machine? Endless paperwork, confusing fees, and wait times that could rival the DMV sound familiar? Yeah, traditional banking hasn't exactly kept pace with our digital world. But what if there was a better way? A way to manage your money with the same ease you use your phone? Enter Lunar, the challenger bank making waves in the Nordics. Now, the question on your mind might be, is Lunar a digital bank? Absolutely. In fact, Lunar is a fully fledged digital bank, meaning it operates entirely online. No more trips to the bank, no more waiting in line. Lunar puts the power of banking right in your pocket. But wait, isn't a digital bank just a fancy way of saying an app with your bank account? Not quite. Sure, Lunar boasts a sleek and intuitive app, but it goes way beyond a simple mobile interface. Here's what makes Lunar different. Built for the modern age. Traditional banks often struggle with clunky legacy systems. Lunar, on the other hand, is built from the ground up for the digital age. This means a faster, smoother experience, with features that cater to today's tech-savvy generation. Imagine being able to open an account in minutes, right from your phone. No need for mountains of paperwork or endless verification calls. That's the Lunar difference. Transparency is key. Let's face it, traditional banks can be notorious for hidden fees and confusing terms. Lunar throws that out the window. They offer clear and transparent pricing, with no sneaky charges lurking in the shadows. You'll always know exactly what you're paying for. Banking made fun, yes, really. Okay, maybe fun isn't the first word that comes to mind when you think of banking. But Lunar aims to change that. Their app is designed to be user-friendly and engaging. Think budgeting tools that are actually helpful, insights into your spending habits, and features that make saving money feel less like a chore. More than just checking accounts. Sure, Lunar offers all the basics, checking accounts, debit cards, and secure money transfers. But they don't stop there. They offer investment tools, loan options, and other financial services, all conveniently housed within their app. Think of it as a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Security you can trust. Moving your finances online can be a concern. But Lunar takes security seriously. They're a fully licensed bank, just like any traditional one, and your money is protected by deposit insurance schemes. So, is Lunar the right fit for you? Well, that depends. If you're comfortable with traditional banking and don't mind the occasional trip to the branch, then Lunar might not be a game changer. But if you're looking for a modern, convenient, and transparent way to manage your money, then Lunar is definitely worth checking out. With their user-friendly app, focus on transparency, and range of features, Lunar is a breath of fresh air in the often stuffy world of banking. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep an eye out for innovative ways to take control of your finances.